A lot of the reason that people are attracted to Shaklee is what we stand for as a company, because this is a company that makes an incredible difference in people's lives.
Everybody I've ever dealt with at Shaklee is passionate about the products and passionate about what they do.
I'm actually really happy that I've been at Shaklee for 29 years. I see the commitment to the products, I see the development, you know, the passion that our scientists have.
What continues to compel me about Shaklee is our consistent, ongoing commitment to health and wellness in every field that we work in every product category that we work in.
For me, the Shaklee difference means 50 years of intensive research. It means having 75 full-time employed scientists, and not just everyday scientists. These are quality scientists.
They want to put the best product on the table so that whoever takes it, they'll get results.
Companies can make their own claims, and they have, you know, advertising that looks like science, and that's the difference with Shaklee.
When we say scientifically proven, we mean scientifically proven. We can show you the clinical studies.
I think a key aspect of the Shaklee difference is the commitment to using as natural ingredients as possible, and this includes no artificial flavors, no artificial sweeteners, and Shaklee's been doing this for over 50 years.
What they won't do is go after the latest fad.
I absolutely trust Shaklee's methods and their quality control and their product.
I trust Shaklee products because I test them over the years, and I would use them for myself and my family.
Anybody could sit here and say what I'm saying but not be doing it. And so that's always the challenge, is how do you really send that message, that it's not just talk, but it's how you operate day to day.
Proof is in the pudding for those who take the product.
I'm definitely happy that I made the decision to start using Shaklee products 40 years ago.
It always works. I've never seen it where someone said, oh, well, it just didn't work for me.
The company, when it says a guarantee that you will notice a difference in how you feel or you'll get your money back, we stand behind that.
You can try it for a whole month, and if you are not completely satisfied, you get your money back.
These products work.
Whether you want to lose a few inches, create a safer environment for your family, feel younger, have more energy, or just feel healthier, Shaklee has the solution. Natural, safe, proven products with an unconditional guarantee from the company that's been creating healthier lives for over 50 years.
It's the way we've always been. I've been with Shaklee for 27 years, and the standard has always been the same.
Shaklee has invested hundreds of millions of dollars in research and development. We screen every new botanical ingredient for 350 contaminants and perform over 80,000 quality tests a year to ensure the efficacy, purity, and safety of every single product.
What's important about the numbers of tests are not the numbers themselves, but what it represents. And it represents Shaklee's long-term commitment to quality, to safety, to purity, and it's a commitment we've always had.
We do our own testing. We even send it out to some independent labs to do a third-party verification. Then we deliver the product to Shaklee. And I know that Shaklee, once they get the product in-house, they do their own testing.
If you don't test your raw materials, you're at risk. And many companies, many competitive companies, they rely on the vendors to do all of this.
Shaklee tells their customers that they have the highest quality products out there, and Shaklee lives up to that.
The real Shaklee difference, to me, the one that is the most important, is that I have the results and they make a difference in my life every day.
Shaklee guarantees that you'll feel the difference our products make, or you'll get your money back. We can make that guarantee because our products work, and we have the scientific proof to back it up.